नमस्ते बिटिया। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ JBN Dr. Ritu Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Gyneo, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Today session is menstruation. Now start. Visible manifestation of cyclic physiological uterine bleeding due to shedding of the endometrium. Rhythmical series of physiological changes that occur in fertile women under the control of the endocrine system necessary for reproduction. Average length 28 days, but typically varies with shorter and longer cycles. Menarche, a woman's start first menstruation. This is called menarche. Menopause, end of a woman's reproductive phase. It is called menopause. Occurs between 45 and 55 years. Physiological changes during menstrual cycle can be observed at the three different levels. First is neuroendocrine level, second is ovaries, third is uterus. Menstrual cycle can be divided into three phases. First, menstrual phase. Second, proliferative or follicular phase. Fourth, ovulatory phase. Third, ovulatory phase, and fourth is secretory or luteal phase. In this phase, progesterone hormone is increased in level, and proliferative and follicular phase, estrogen hormone very very high level. Average start and end day, assuming a 28-day cycle. Menstrual phase is 1 to 4 days. Proliferative phase 5 to 13 days. Ovulation 13 to 16 days. Secretory phase 16 to 28 days. Menstruation, discharge of bloody fluid containing endometrial cell, glandular secretion, and blood cells last 3 to 5 days, result of the previous menstrual cycle. Due to strong vasoconstriction and proteolytic activity, functional stratum of endometrial tissue dies and is discharged during menstrual bleeding. The diagram of the ovary, and there are different phase, different folliculars in this ovary. There is first is formation of primary follicle, then multiply and development in the secondary follicles, and again multiply and development in the Graafian follicle or mature follicle. Now the Graafian follicle release the ovum. This is called ovulation, and extract part is called corpus luteum, and finally corpus luteum change in the corpus albicans. Now this post process is again start. Menstrual cycle. There are four phases. First is menstrual phase, 0 to 7 days. Pre-ovulation, 7 to 14 days, and 14 days ovulation, and after 14 to 21 days post 28 days post ovulation period. Endometrium become very thin, but due to low estrogen level, hypophysis secrete more FSH. FSH stimulates secretion of estrogen, and estrogens serve as proliferation signal to the endometrium basal layer. Ovarian cycle. There are diagrams showing the menstrual cycle properly. Follicles compete with each other for dominance due to the rise of follicle stimulating hormone during the first day of the cycle. Several ovarian follicles are stimulated. The follicles that reach maturity is called a Graafian follicle. As they mature, the follicles secrete increasing amount of estrogen, which thickness the new functional layer of endometrium in the uterus. Estrogen also stimulates crypts in the cervix to produce fertile cervical mucus. At the end of this phase, ovulation occurs. The hormone of menstrual cycle, including FSH, LH, estrogen, and progesterone. FSH secreted by the pituitary gland and target the ovaries and functions of SH follicular growth, stimulating estrogen secretion and ovulation 14 days. The LH hormone secreted by the anterior pituitary gland and target the ovaries, ovulation 14 days, stimulate the less estrogen or more progesterone. After ovulation, it forms corpus luteum. Estrogen, the follicle secreted by follicles and target the endometrium. Thickness of the lining, functions of the estrogen, the thickness of the lining, inhibit FSH or LH, and pause the 21 to 24 days if no fertilization. And last is progesterone, secreted by the corpus luteum, target on the endometrium, and functions of progesterone is maintaining lining and inhibit follicular stimulating hormone or luteinizing hormone. Pulse 21 to 24 days if no fertilization. During the follicular phase, estrogen suppresses production of luteinizing hormone from the pituitary gland. When the ovum has nearly maturated, level of estrogen is reached a threshold about which they stimulate production of LH. The release of LH mature the ovum and weakness the wall of the follicle in the ovary, causing the fully developed follicle to release its secondary oocyte. After being released from the ovary, the ovum is swept into the fallopian tube. Corpus luteum, solid body formed in an ovary after the ovum has been released into the fallopian tube. produce significant amount of progesterone, which play a vital role in making the endometrium receptive to implantation of the blastocysts. High level of E and P suppress production of FSH and allostates. The corpus luteum needs to maintain itself. Falling levels of progesterone trigger menstruation and the beginning of the next cycle. The summary of menstrual cycle. The phase first is pro-ovulatory pre-preparation follicle phase. The secretions from pituitary glands increase in the secretion of follicle stimulating hormone FSH. Target on the ovary secretion. The increase estrogen secretions, and the result, the ovum is one ovarian follicle, right? The hypothalamus signals pituitary to decrease production of LH. The estrogen and estrogen secretion feedback. Uh, Now, fact is the release secretion of the luteinizing hormone. And ovulation, the mature ovum ruptures through the ovarian wall, laying the follicular mass called the corpus luteum. There are growth of Graafian follicle 1 to 14 days. Now ovulation, the after ovulation, release ovum and remain part is called corpus luteum, and the corpus luteum finally change in the corpus albicans. Now complete menstrual cycle. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.